Use the Compare Length tool to quality check your pattern by comparing the lengths of different segments. To open the Compare Length table, go to Segment, Compare Length, or use shortcut Ctrl-M. We can compare the total measurement of the armhole to the sleeve cap. First, select the back armhole, and click the plus button to take the measurement. Next, select the front armhole, and click the plus button again to add it to the total armhole measurement. Now, select the sleeve cap and click the minus button to see the difference and ratio. In this case, the sleeve cap is 1 1/8 inch smaller than the armhole, which will result in a poor fit. Now we can change the sleeve cap measurement to be the same as the armhole. With the sleeve cap selected, click the Segment Length button. Then enter the new measurement for the base size. Select Curve for the extend method, then click Apply to apply the change. The system adjusts the segment to the given measurement according to the selected extend method, and the Compare Length table automatically refreshes with the new difference and ratio. You can also click the Update button to refresh the table measurements. Another method of changing the sleeve cap measurement is to copy the values directly from the Compare Length table and paste them into the Segment Length table. Click the Total column header to highlight the total armhole measurement for all graded sizes. Click the Copy button, then with the sleeve cap segment selected, open Segment Length. Click the Length column header to highlight the current sleeve cap measurement for all graded sizes. Untick the Edit Base Size Value Only option, so we can edit the segment length for all sizes. Click the Copy and Paste button, and select the Paste Lengths option. The system pastes the lengths copied from the total armhole measurement taken from the Compare Length table, and pastes them as the sleeve cap measurement in the Segment Length table. Click Apply, and the system adjusts the sleeve cap to the new measurements for every size, and refreshes the Compare Length table.